So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Let us discuss about quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals, it is a polygon of four sides. These are all examples of quadrilaterals. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. So this is the figure for the parallelogram. So let us find the two pairs of parallel sides. The first pair of parallel sides, that is segment AB, is congruent to segment BC. Another pair of parallel sides, that is segment AB, is congruent to segment BC. So it means segment AB, it is equal to segment DC. While segment AD it is equal to segment BC. So those measurement ng red, that is equal also yung yellow. What is a trapezoid? Trapezoid, that is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So let us see based on the figure of the trapezoid, which is one pair of parallel sides. So that is segment AB, that is parallel to segment DC. But then, despite segment AB and segment DC are parallel, segment AB, the measurement of the segment AB, it is not equal to the measurement of the segment DC. So this is the figure for the trapezoid. While segment AB and segment BC, that is not parallel to each other. But then, segment AD, it is congruent to segment BC. So it means whatever is the measurement of the segment AD, it is also equal measurement of the segment BC. But the only parallel sides, that is segment AB and then segment DC. How about trapezium? Trapezium, that is a quadrilateral with two pairs of distinct sides congruent. So it means the distinct sides, that is segment AD and then another distinct side, that is segment BC. So those distinct sides, that is congruent. Another pairs of distinct sides that is congruent, that is segment AD, that is congruent to segment BC. They are not parallel, but segment AB, it is congruent to segment BC. Segment AD, that is congruent to segment BC. What is rectangle? Rectangle, it is a parallelogram with four right angles. So that is angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are four right angles of the rectangle. And the measurement of the angle A, B, C, and D, that is equal to 90 degrees. How about rhombus? Rhombus, it is a parallelogram with four equal sides, but no right angle. So angle A, B, C, and D, that is not right angle. While the sides, segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, and segment DA are four equal sides. So it means whatever is the measurement of the segment AB, that is also equal to the measurement of the segment BC, measurement of the segment CD, and measurement of the segment DA. How about square? Square, it is also a parallelogram with four equal sides and four right angles. So that is angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Those angles are equal to 90 degrees. How about the four equal sides? So that is segment AB, that is congruent to segment BC. It is also congruent to segment CD, and then also congruent to segment DA. Those segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, and segment DA, we have four equal sides. So The square, that is 4 equal sides, and then 4 right angles. So let us see what you have learned. A quadrilateral, that is a polygon with 4 equal sides. So we have the 3 kinds of quadrilaterals, that is parallelogram, trapezoid, and trapezium. Parallelogram, that is 2 pairs of parallel sides. Trapezoids, that is 1 pair of parallel sides. Trapezium, that is no pair of parallel sides. In a parallelogram, a rectangle, it is a parallelogram with 4 right angle. Rhombus, it is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. While the square, it is a parallelogram with 4 right angle and then 4 equal sides.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.